Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
I am clicking on Done. These two changes. I am doing it. And I am clicking on Save. OK. Let me go. And delete this. OK. And I am just moving this and I am making the save here. So it is saved. So once it is saved, I will just refresh it. Now you can see the change in the label also has changed. Can you see here? Yes. Underscore ID and here it was not mandatory. But now it is coming mandatory also. Yeah. Okay. So that also. That is one thing. So whenever you are doing this, you are doing some trials. Make sure to make the system back to normal. So what I have done. I have made some changes here. I will again go back to details. Go to the label here. And here it was underscore. So I will just remove it. That is one thing. And second in the name also. I have kept the required as. Yes. Yes, I have kept it no. Okay. Label also. I will remove it. And let me go and see if I can make this one as not visible. Okay. So I will save it. Okay. Now again, I will go and refresh it. Now you can see that is not visible. Can you see here? Business area name is not visible. Yes. Okay. Now again, if I go back into the take action. And where it is. Here. Okay, so here. When I go into the visibility and I will take as readable. Let me check if system will allow us to for the readable or not. Okay. And then I will just refresh it. Okay. When I go to make collection. You can see, it is readable mode. It is not edited. It is not editable. Got it. how we can able to work on each area, each attributes. Yes. Any questions here? No. Okay. So again, I will go back into this. How it was there. There, I will make it back to normal. I am doing some trials. It is working successfully. I will go here. And further what I will do. I want to create some custom field. Let's go and create a custom field. So. 4. Business unit right. So business unit. Let's. Yeah. So business unit IA. ID area name. Then head of the unit. So. Let's go and create something. I am adding some custom field, that is business. Yeah, business area type. Okay. So how I will go and create it? So let me go and create. Business. Area type. So make sure we should not have a gap here. Business area type. So I am creating a business area type. I can give as a 32 character. Go to the details. And business area type which I am creating. That is something as an ID. But the label I need to define. How it will look like. So business. Area. Type. Okay. Go here. Let's copy this. Default value. Okay. And click on here. Okay. And then I will click on done. And visibility. Let me check if it is editable. Yes, editable. Okay. And I can able to go and save it. And save. Now. After saving it, I will just refresh it. Let me check. Business. Area type. It is showing here. Can you see here? I am going to save it. I am going to. This must be a type. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now. This business area type. Either you can give something as a manual value. That is also fine. But if your customer wants something, also should have some automatic value. So, let's take Some. Predefined values. Values so. Let's go. Getting. Some. Predefined value. I need. To. Go. Into. A place that is called as a picklist center. I will go and discuss it in more detail. But let me go. And get let's go. Area. Type. So. What I can do. I. To do I. Don't need to create anything. Already. I have. I will go to the make collection. Okay. And I will go to the business area type, which you can see here. Go to the detail. Select the value that is picklist value. Okay. Part is the value source. The code I need to copy. So I need to go here. Just copy this code. Okay. And go to the object definition. Paste this code here. Okay. We're doing the mapping. And just
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.